Do you love me?
I love Zachary. You love me?
Yeah.
You like playing?
Yeah. And this game is fun.
I know. We're going to play some more, huh?
Is it fun for you?
Yeah. You're rinsing them off before they hit the pool.
They get a portion.
Almost got them. Alright. Now we're going to play. Oh, I'm a bunch.
I'm ready.
You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Ah, that was short. Oh, oh.
You just want to do your worst, number 2.
Bad. Here we go. Watch it. Oh, that's good.
I know how to float.
That's good. You're swimming good.
I didn't know until I was training this guy. He started talking. One day I was off. I'm home drinking. I'm watching the race. I'm getting hammered. I don't get one day off. I'm getting drunk. And all of a sudden, I said, he's going to do it.
I love it.
That's cool, huh? Uh-oh. I got you. Ah, I got you.
Did one fall out?
No, not yet. Careful.
But I can spread my tummy in here.
Point. Look at you.
Look what I can do. I can stand on my hands like this.
That's strong.
Why is it wrong?
Oh, boom. 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 There's bombs falling all around.
Bombs away.
He did Desert Storm, Somalia, all this stuff from the 1990s.
You jump in the pool and float on this.
I still get wet.
Hey, want to see something?
Yeah.
I asked him what countries he's been to. He says it'd be easier if I could tell you what countries.
Oh, that's good.
He said he's
Good enough. I want to go back where
I can't catch you.
this wall throwing.
Almost out of balls.
And then I'll pull it back up with softballs and
There we go. Whoa! Okie dokie. All gone. All gone.